Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second episode of Refined Guitar Chops. So, you are a guitar beginner and you have limited time or possibility to practice. Are you perhaps a business professional or a new parent who has just a few minutes to practice per day? Or just someone who is starting playing guitar from scratch? Well, you're at the right place. These guitar lessons are designed for beginners, featuring micro exercises which are very easy to grasp and very fast to learn, without tons of theory and long examples. Here we go. We got only 3 notes here. On the low E string, it's E, F sharp, and G sharp. And then you repeat the same thing. So you can actually play this lick with legato much faster. But I'm going to show you legato later. We're going to concentrate on the picking today, which is down, up, down, up, down, up. So. So the beauty about playing guitar is that you can easily transpose stuff. If you move everything half step down, you're in E flat. And if you follow the same logic, so this is what I mean. This will boost your rhythm chops for sure. There you go. So you probably noticed that I'm muting the strings. So this is how I do it. Step number 1. Step number 2. And this is the difference. There you go. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. You can also find me on my Facebook page. Link is also in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.